Hi guys, here for my final mini lesson. This activity is over prefixes incorporated into a bingo. I found this activity on Teachers Pay Teachers and it was a free activity. The packet starts off with directions to print out the bingo and cards and the calling cards, but the calling cards in a container and have the calling card picker pick the cards and read the word at the bottom or the clue above. That students can be called on to find the word connected with the clue, which could also further more discussion about prefixes. That there needs to be a form of a chip for the students to use to mark their board, and then there is a list of various types of bingo games that could be played with these boards. In the packet, there are 6 pre-made bingo sheets that have various types of prefixes that like un, dis, re, pre, and miss that are all at the top of the bingo cards. With this activity, students who are in second, third, and fourth would benefit the most because they would be able to apply the information that they have learned about prefixes. In this packet, there are calling cards for students that have the prefix word at the bottom and the clue to that word at the top. So an example is unusual, and the clue to unusual would be not usual. So you could either read unusual and the kids could just find the prefix on the card immediately, and that's what you do for second graders most likely, and then for fourth graders you would probably just use a clue, not usual, so they could discover the prefix on their own. Then there is an empty sheet where more bingo cards can be made for the students and they can make their own bingo cards. So this is the empty sheet, and then these are all the different words that they could use, and there are 24 that they could choose from. Then at the very bottom, there is a couple pages of more broken down meanings to the words. So they give you all the prefixes and then they give you the meaning to that prefix, which would be very helpful for the students at the beginning of the lesson, I believe. And then they have an example for each of these. So if this was shown at the beginning of the activity before they begin the bingo, I feel like it would be a nice refresher for the students. And here is a more simplified version without the examples. I really like how this activity helps students apply their knowledge of prefixes, and it also is very interactive and it would help with discussions over the topic. Thank you so much for reading and listening to me. I hope you have a great day.